Hey, what is going on, everybody? Josh Quinones here, and in today's video, we are going to be doing a fast charging test with the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus to see just how long it will take to charge the device from 0% all the way to 100%. Now, I've had a lot of requests to do a video like this one, so I'm not going to wait any longer. Today is the day to do it. I went ahead and let the phone die on me, so it is completely dead right now. I got a timer right here on the left side of the phone, and I'm also going to be using the original fast charger that comes in the box with the device. And before I start this test, let me remind you to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. But without any more waiting, let's go ahead and get this test started. Let me go ahead and plug the charger into the device, and I'm going to go ahead and play this in a time lapse for you so you guys can check out the time it takes to get to a certain percentages when the phone is charging. So I hope you all enjoy. All right, so there it is. We are all charged up to 100%. It took 1 hour and 37 minutes. Now, it took 14 minutes to get to 20%, 30 minutes to get to 41%, 36 minutes to get to 50%, and 57 minutes to get to 75%. And then, of course, 1 hour and 37 minutes to get to 100%. Like I said, this video was requested a lot, so I hope I was able to help out by doing this video for you guys. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment sections below. Do you think it charged fast enough, or do you think it could have been faster? Now, remember, this is a 4100 milliamp battery, so leave your thoughts down in the comment sections below. I would love to know what you guys think. But for now, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a huge thumbs up on this video if you did like it. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you can keep up with future videos to come. This is Josh Quinones, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace.